Today we're going to show you how easy it is to connect IP cameras to the cloud. Videoloft is compatible with hundreds of camera brands. In this video we'll be focusing on high vision cameras, but the process is the same for all compatible IP cameras.
With Videoloft, you can replace an NVR or DVR and record straight to the cloud. It removes the risk of the recorder being tampered with and also means you aren't restricted by the storage space on the recorder's hard drive. You can also record alongside a recorder, but today we're going to talk about replacing one.
All you need is the Videoloft Cloud Adapter, which comes in an 8 or 16 channel version. We also have an enterprise rack mounted solution for larger installations. Just connect it to the same local network as your CCTV system, and the rest of the installation can be run from literally anywhere in the world.
Log in to your Videoloft account and go to install/uninstall on the left hand side. Enter the cloud ID, which connects it to your Videoloft account. We then scan the adapter's local network for compatible cameras and recorders. In this example, we're using high vision cameras, but the process is the same for any compatible IP camera. Select the ones you want to install and click Install in the top corner. You'll then be prompted to enter their usernames and passwords. It only takes a couple of minutes, and then you can view your camera live feeds and recorded video events from the website or mobile app.